Have you ever felt like you're stuck while someone else is living the life that you dream of? But what if I told you that you're not stuck? You're just tuned into the wrong reality. And the version of you who is successful, abundant, healthy, wealthy, married to the love of their life already exists right now. Today I'm going to teach you how to shift into a parallel reality where your dream life is not only possible but is already waiting for you. But before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Gayatri. I love talking about God, manifestation, law of attraction, law of assumption, love, kindness, and just anything and everything life. I also provide manifestation coaching. So if you're someone who's interested in it, you can just text me here on WhatsApp or click on the link in the description box below and we'll get into the details. Also, please stick till the end of the video because I have a very, very good surprise waiting for you. So please watch it till the end. So what exactly are parallel realities? Imagine this: every version of your life that you can possibly think of, the one where you're rich, the one where you're successful, the one where you're married, all of them already in existence. And the fact that you can dream of it, think of it, imagine it, is the proof in itself that that version of you already exists in some parallel reality. Let's understand it this way. Let's assume you're watching a TV and you're holding the remote control. Now, you want to watch the Discovery Channel, but on your remote, you keep selecting the MTV channel. Now, how do you think Discovery is going to appear on the TV screen if you keep selecting MTV? Now, similarly, let's think of life as a giant multiverse of TV channels. Each channel represents a different version of your life. One where you're struggling, one where you're thriving, one where you're heartbroken, and one where you're loved. All these channels, all these versions already exist. What matters is which one are you tuned into. So you can't keep choosing MTV and hoping that one day magically Discovery appears on your TV screen. Similarly, you can't keep choosing the reality where you're heartbroken, where you're struggling, and hoping that one day something happens and your dream reality shows up. You can't keep doing the same thing and hoping for a different outcome. The reason why you're not living your dream life yet is because your current identity is still aligned with the older version of you who feels not worthy, not capable, not enough. You're stuck watching the wrong channel and you don't even realize that you are the one holding the remote. Now stop wondering how to shift into your dream reality. I've got you covered. I'm going to tell you 3 steps to shift into your dream life. But before that, let me give you an example. Suppose you're invited to a party. Now, in reality A, you walk into the party feeling insecure. You think to yourself that I do not know anyone here. I'm very awkward. People would not want to talk to me. So you stand in the corner, avoiding eye contacts and barely speaking. As a result, nobody talks to you. When you're walking back home, you think to yourself that yes, I was right. Nobody wanted to talk to me. Now, in reality B, you walk into the same party, but this time your self talk is I'm so magnetic. People want to talk to me. They like my vibe. People open up to me. And as a result, you enter into the party, you make new friends, you strike conversations, you receive new opportunities. So, what changed? Not the party, not the people, you. Your assumptions, your beliefs, your mindset, your frequency, your energy. Now, that is a parallel reality shift. You tuned into a different version of the exact same moment and got a completely different outcome. The truth is, both the versions already existed. It's just that you chose consciously or unconsciously which one to live. So, step one, and the most important one of shifting into your dream reality, is changing your self concept. Ask yourself, who is that version of me who already has what I desire? How does she walk? How does she talk? What does she believe in? How does she behave? If she is wealthy, she does not panic over paying bills because she knows she's got it covered. If she is married, she knows that she is loved. She trusts. She does not obsess. She has faith. She assumes love. So, changing your self concept, what you think about yourself, is the most important step in manifesting your dream life. Step 2, think, feel, and act from your desired reality. Speak as if it is done. Walk as if it is done. Don't think about it, think from it. Visualize it. Feel the joy in this very moment. Most people will tell you that please don't think about your desire as something happening in the future because then you'll keep pushing it away in the future. But this is so not true. You can think of your desire with certainty that it is going to happen in the future because in some reality it has already happened. So it's just a matter of time that it shows up in this one as well. Step 3, let go of the how. The version of you who already has what she desires is not thinking about how will it happen because she knows that it has already happened. She's not chasing, she's resting in the knowing. She's not doubting the path, she's living it. So take that pressure of how and when off your shoulders and give it to God or the universe and let them do the heavy lifting. I promise you that you're in safe hands. Your only job is to sit back and relax and stay aligned with your dream reality and remain in faith no matter what happens. There are infinite versions of your life. You're not manifesting something from thin air. You're selecting from the quantum menu. You're not attracting, you're aligning. You're not chasing, you're becoming. After all, reality isn't something you chase, it's something you choose. So the next time you doubt yourself, remember that reality, where it's already yours, is not a dream, it's a frequency, and you're just one shift away from experiencing it. Now, about the surprise that I mentioned earlier in the video, I am offering free manifestation coaching to any one of you, and all you have to do to access it is comment down below or text me on WhatsApp saying, I am ready to shift. And I'll note down your name and I'll pick one of you at random for free coaching. And if you like this video and want more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Keep dreaming, keep believing.